Hello friends, I would like to say a big thanks to all viewers, subscribers, everyone around me, because this is the month, the year Bhavna's Kitchen is celebrating 10 years. Different cuisine recipes and also love to blend my Indian flavor in many other cuisine recipes. My kitchen is my lab where I do all kinds of experiments and it's so much of fun. Sometimes it's disaster, sometimes you get a great outcome, but it's still a lot of fun. A very special thanks to YouTube as well for allowing me to showcase my skills, talent, and all about me. Hello and namaste. Welcome to bhavnaskitchen.com. Beautiful looking fenugreek leaves.
So let's make lemonade.
Remember, flavor comes from fresh ingredients. Shooting and talking at the same time, it's not much fun. So here are some bloopers.
Oh my god. उनको छीलकर.
And today I made this just trim. Akash, stop booking.
Mom, can you make feta?
Fajita, 1 1/4 cups of sour cream, just mogo. And I'm going to, I could say I'm a self-taught and self-motivated person, but when I started YouTube channel, my video shooting and editing skills were very poor. Nothing comes with ease. The price of success is hard work, dedication, and perseverance. I started YouTube channel when I was raising my 2 boys. Elder son, Drew, who was 4 years old only, and Akash was 2 years old only back then. I had to work around their play and nap time, and on top of that, working full-time at a hotel. But today when I look at myself, I feel that everything is worth it. Drew and Akash have grown taller than me. I acknowledge that I am well supported by my family, relatives, friends, actually I could say the whole community. Through all these years, I have learned a lot. A lot of time I was discouraged from some online negative comments, but at the same time I was getting a lot of positive response as well, and that was good enough for me to keep me going. Remembering the old saying that people would throw stones on a tree that bears fruits and not on one that doesn't have any fruits. Though I started YouTube channel just for cooking, in 2010, right after I started the YouTube channel, the very next year I went India to see my parents. That time I thought that I would like to share about me, where I grew up, where I was born, and would like to share with my viewers. So I shoot some of the videos and share on my YouTube channel, and I started getting a lot of requests for making videos on daily routine, travel, and so I was encouraged for all these ideas actually from my viewers. Besides cooking, I love traveling, gardening, and I do have many other hobbies that keep me energized. I was introduced to YouTube, I remember, I think around in 2008 by my husband, but I never thought that I would do something with YouTube. I don't know what he saw in me back then, but probably looking at my video shooting passion, I have been capturing all the moments of my boys when they were very little. That's the only thing probably he saw in me, and he told me that probably I could do something like that. Back then I was working full-time as well, so I never gave a thought about doing something like this. But then slowly, like, I was feeling overwhelmed with a full-time job, raising two boys, and sometimes I didn't get to see them. I could see them sleeping all the time because of the rotating shift. And YouTube came on my mind again after about a year. I thought that how would I know if I never start? So I thought of giving it a try. I wasn't all prepared, but I just thought that I want to start. I remember from 2012 or 2013 I started getting the request for writing a book, which I could never do because I thought, what am I going to write about? But just last year, one of the company requested me to write a book about electric pressure cooker, and the book I wrote, Cooking Smart with Bhavna, Vegan Vegetarian Electric Pressure Cooker Recipes. Now this book is not just for electric pressure cooker recipes, but I have shared a lot of tips and tricks in this book which can be used whether you have an electric pressure cooker or not. I was always inspired to make videos based on viewers' requests. Sometimes some of my friends ask, what will I be doing when I run out of food ideas? And I have to just say that creativity and imagination has no limit. I cannot think of myself even today to stop making videos with cooking, traveling. I think it's just all about how you look at the things that's happening around you. To me personally, I want to share something that can inspire many. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, Bhavna's Kitchen, celebrating 10 years of journey in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching and see you soon.